Hello everyone, my name is Peter from Website Arena, and today I'm going to show you how to create a professional e-commerce website for your business. Having a professional e-commerce website for your business is very important in this digital world. And today I'm going to walk through the process of creating a professional e-commerce website using WordPress. As you can see, I've already installed WordPress on my server and I'm operating on the latest version of WordPress, which is version 6.3. And I'm going to be using a theme. This theme is highly responsive and it has a lot of features and is a great deal for your business. As you can see, there are several pre-made templates there that you can import and just do some basic customization and you are good to go. So you can see this, and this is for organic products. You see more. You see more of this. These are very nice and it's very responsive. Something you can get and design for your business. So this is a very powerful theme and I'm going to be using this one to create the e-commerce store. So the next thing, and I'm going to be using this one to create the e-commerce store. So the next thing I'm going to do is to install the theme. I already have the theme file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to appearance and theme, add new, and I click on upload and I will select my file, and here it is. This is the theme and I'll select it. I'll click on install. Then we have installed our theme, so we will activate it by clicking on the activate button and our theme will be activated. Right now our theme has been activated and the license is activated. So the next thing we are going to do is to install the plugins that power the theme. So we're going to click on install plugins and it will list out all the plugins that is required for the theme. As you can see, these are the plugins that we need to install for this theme to function, and they are 13 in number. So I'm going to click on them individually and install. So as you can see, we've installed all the plugins. So the next thing is to activate them. So I'm going to select them all here and then click on activate, and all the plugins will be activated. And now this is my dashboard. All the themes, all the plugins needed for the theme has been installed. This is the blog, and this is WooCommerce. This is the Elementor for building the page. This is the slider resolution. This is the email. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to install the demo content for this website. So I'm going to go to tools and I'll see demo content install. I'll click on that. I want to use the pre-made templates so that the process can be faster and effective. So I'm going to select any template that is related to what I'm doing. I want to create this shoe store. So I'm going to select it. You can see there are many templates you can choose here. So I'm going to go by this and I'll click on install. And it will start installing. Imported completely, and here is how our website is looking. You can see this is really cool, and these are the demo products that is imported to. And what we're going to do now is to start editing and changing this thing to your own products and using your own information. All right, so we're going to go back to our dashboard. And here we go. So the first thing we want to do is to check all the pages that is imported and see if there is anyone that is not necessary that we can delete. So this is about us page for you to tell your visitors about your brand, and we need this. This is the cart page, this checkout page, contact us, dashboard, FAQ. Yeah, you need this. The home page, accounts, my order, product category, and this product category version 2. We can trash this. This sample page, we'll trash that too. We don't need that. And this test page, we don't need it. Vendor registration, this is for multi-vendor. So we are not building a multi-vendor website. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to trash them. So we have all our pages in place. So the next thing we want to do is to check the blog section and delete all the blogs. We don't need them. So if you want to write blog for your website, you can start writing later when you're done. So you move this to trash. And to create a new blog, all you just have to do is to click on add new and then you follow the process. I'll create another video on how to create professional and SEO ranking content for your website. So I'm going to come here, delete all these categories that are not necessary. We don't need them. And then we're going to delete. That's good. All right, guys. So this is our product page, and these are the demo products that we imported along with the theme. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave all these products here, but I'm going to show you how to add a new product to your website. So in your own case, you will have to delete all the products that you have here because you will like to use your own products actually. So you delete everything, and to do that, you just click on this, select all, and then you move them to trash and you click on apply. So that's it. But I'm not going to do that because I still need all these products to do another tutorial. So I'm going to go to add new products. So the first thing you need to do is to enter the name of your product, the name you want to give to your product here. So there are ways to get uh, a good name for your product that will look appealing to your customers and the description. So there is a particular plugin that can help you do that. And I'm going to cover that in another tutorial, how to write professional e-commerce content for your online store using an AI. This plugin is specially developed for that purpose. And in the next tutorial, I'm going to cover that. So you write the description here, and then you select the type of product you want to add. If it is a simple product, that means it won't have variation. And if it is virtual product, if you click here, that means it's not going to be a product that can be shipped. Maybe you want to sell a product that won't be shipped to them. You click on here. And if you click on downloadable, that means it's a digital product, maybe your ebook, uh, music, video, whatever downloadable product you want to include there. And when you click on this, make sure you also click on this to make it virtual. That means they won't be charged for shipping. But if you click on downloadable and you didn't click here, when they want to download this, it will still ask them to pay shipping a month. And you don't want to do that. You just want them to download this thing. But we are not creating digital or virtual products. We are creating a physical product. So you enter the price, the regular price or the sales price. If you have a regular price, maybe you are selling for, let's say, $10, and your sales price is $9. That means they will say that, oh, this product is $10 before, but it's now $9. And you can set time for this, like for this offer to end. Maybe for 10 days time it will be selling for $9 and blah blah blah. So you just click on this, and the time you will start selling and the time it ends. So then the tax, we do the tax configuration later in our WooCommerce settings. And once that is done, you can write a short product description that will show at the top section of your products. And then you enter tag to enhance search when someone is searching for your products. And the next thing you want to do is you add them to the category. These are the categories that came with the theme, and you can always add new. And you can go here, category, to add or create new categories. And you can create new categories here, enter the name, and just add categories. And then the next thing you want to do is, if you want to manage your inventory, you come here, and the SKU is very good, to give your product a personal identity and to help your user have details about your product. And it's also help your SEO, especially if you want to put your products in Google Shop. These are essential. So you want to manage your stock quality for this product. You want to know the numbers of products you have, and just click this. And what's how many products you have? Maybe you have 50 of this product. You enter it, and what will happen when you're out of sales? They won't be able to buy the products again. Or you can also allow back orders, that is, they can order, and when the product is available, it will be shipped to them. And this, you want to get notified that, oh, you have 5 items left. So you will receive a message that you only have 5 items left for this product. So you can go to your website and update. All right, then you will enter the shipping. This is the weight, the shipping configuration, and the attributes. This is for setting our uh, a variant product, or we're not going to do that. And these are advanced. So that's how you set your product. So let's say your product is a variant product that um maybe has several sizes or color. You just click here and then click on variable products, and the first thing you want to do is to go to the attributes, and you add a new attribute. Let's say this is size, and then you enter the value, which is large, and you use this straight line to separate them. Medium, extra large, extra large, whatever, and then you save. Make sure you select visible on product page and use for variations. It's very important. Then you save, and once you save, the next thing you're going to do is to go on this variation tab, and you set up your variation. So you click on variation, and then you use attributes to generate variation. Save attributes. So you generate the variation from your attributes. So you click here and you generate, and you can see now four variations added. And this is it. This is a variation. So you can come here and set price for each of them and all that. So when I click here, you see this is a product standing on its own, and then you can just decide the parameters for this product. Everything we said before when we set up the single products is applicable here. You do them individually. So this one, you upload the products image for this one, and the SKU image numbers there, you enter the number there, the price, this, the size, weight, the shipping class, the tax parent, whatever, and the description. When you are done with this, you go to this, go to that, and that's all. And one more thing that is peculiar to every type of product you want to set is this um, section, the tags, especially this future image and gallery image. Maybe you want to use several images that will slide across when your users are uh, viewing the product. So basically, that's how to add a product to your website. All right. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to set up my menu. So I'm going to go to menu, so we can see these are way too much for our menu. We don't want all this. And we have a many menu here. We have like four, and we only need one. So I'm going to select the rest so that I can delete them. All right, these are primary menu, and I just want to delete all these items that we don't need. We are in our WooCommerce settings now, and these are our general settings. This is where you set up your store address, or you enter your store address, your store information here, and you know, you want to be selling to all countries, or you want to be selling your own country, you do that. Then the shipping location, ship to all countries you set to, and do you want to enable tax? Do you want to enable coupon? Um, currency, you select your currency, and the position, maybe your currency should be positioned at the left side, or in your country it is positioned at the right side. The separators, currency separators, and then you save. The next thing you want to do is you go on the product settings. All right, so how do you want your add to cart to be? You want to redirect to cart page after, or you want to use this Ajax features that makes your cart section to display at the sidebar of your website. And placeholder, image size, review. Do you want to enable review? Do you want to enable product rating? And then the next thing you want to do is to set up the tax. And once you're done with the tax, you click on the shipping payments, and then you are done. So do you want to enable ship tax? Yes, I will enter prices for inclusive of trials. No, I will enter prices, blah blah blah. So those are the things you set up. And this is how you set up your tax. These are the tax configuration. These are the All right. So these are the tax configuration. You make sure you customize these to suit your business operation, and the standard rate, reduced rates, zero rates. You can configure all these options. The next thing is the shipping. All right. So you need to add your shipping location, shipping zone, and then you set your shipping rates. So let's say I want to add this shipping zone, United States, and I want to edit this. You click on edit this, and then you edit the rates. So you can add a zone for your own region, maybe your country, Nigeria, and you set your shipping rates. All right. So you see, this is United States, and it's only United States alone. There is a plugin that enables you to set several shipping zone based on your state, your local government, and it also capture your zip address. So I'm going to cover that in another tutorial. To edit this, you want to enable free shipping. You can cancel this, and then you can change the price for your flat rates, and then you can also add another method. So I'm going to click on edit this, and how much do you want to charge for this? Let's say this costs $15, and then you save. You want to enable tax for the shipping? Yes, you do. Let's wait for that and add another one. Let's say you want to add another one. What's the name? Let's say local pickup, and then you click on hash, and then you click on edit. So it costs nothing. Just come around and pick it yourself. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is to work on the payments gateway integrations for you to collect payment. How you want to collect your payment for your products. All right. So WooCommerce has uh, an inbuilt payments and very secure. So you can install that. However, you will be able to use that if you are in the US, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia, and the rest. But I'm not sure this is supported in any of the Africa country now. So you can choose direct bank transfer. You can choose cash on delivery. You can use PayPal. And to add more payment method, all you just have to do is to go to the plugin, and you select, you add a new plugin based on the payment gateway you want to use. If you are in Africa, there are few payments method that you can use, and one of them is Paystack. So you can just search for it here, Paystack. All right, this is Paystack for WooCommerce, and you install it. You install this one. There are different one, but I think this is the most, this is the most effective one. This one, and then you can also search for OPay, and this is the official plugin by OP. This payment gateway is just introduced, you know, recently, and you can use that too. And you can also use Stripe. You can use Stripe for WooCommerce. You can use Square. You can use Braintree. There are different payment gateway that you can use, but I usually recommend you use Stripe if you are not in Africa, and if you are in Africa, you can try to use Paystack or Flutterwave. But I recommend Paystack. Paystack is very secure, and you can monitor your payments, your transaction easily on their dashboard. Uh, right. So we've installed this, and it is activated. So you just go to settings, and then you configure this. All right. For you to use this, you must have uh, an account with Stripe, and you must ensure that the account is live and you have the live API ready. So you can easily integrate this, by connecting to your account, create or connecting with your account. So this enables you to connect easily if you're not a developer, you don't have much understanding. You don't need to enter any API, whatever. But if you want to do it manually, just click here and then you enter the live publishable key, and there's the secret key, and then you do the webhook. This is the webhook, submit it here, and then you set it live, and you're good to go. So that's how you had your payments gateway, and that's all. So the next thing that we need to do now is to set up our interface. So at first, let's look at how our website looks, and let's start editing. So edit this page. This is our website. This is how our website look. So edit this page. You have to click on um, Elementor, and this is how you edit in Elementor. So once you edit this in Elementor, you can easily add your own designs. I'm going to show you how to change this design. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this image, and then it will show the image here. Then you can This also add a new section to your website. So I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to delete that, and yeah, the same process is for this one. Also, you use the same process to edit that, and the same goes with this one. Everything here, the badge, you can remove this or you can change it as well. Just come click on it, come here and change it. Click on the items, change it here. If you want to enter the URL for it, maybe you want them to visit their website, it's still same thing. The popular products, you filter it, you select a category for it, so it's still the same thing. So whatever you want to change, you select it, you come back here and make the changes, and this is how it goes. So when you're done, you click on update to make sure that your changes are reflect. So that's how to edit your page in Elementor, and you make sure you do that for all your pages, like the about us, the contact us page, and the rest. So make sure you change them correctly and the design fits in, right? So I'm going to show you how to change your logo and how to change your footer information. You can see that we cannot change this, all these things, you cannot change it here. There's no option to change it here. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment, right? So let's close this page. Okay, so now we are in our dashboard. Now there are ways to do this, but the easiest way to do this is to visit your website again. And you click on visit website, and come here. This is our website. This is showing my blog, and I will show you how to change it in a moment to your own brand name. So you can see we have these pages about us, shop, other things here. We edit all of them in a moment. Name on one, on two. We don't need all these things to apply on our menu, right? So I will show you how to edit the menu. I'm going to show you how to change this slider resolution, this slide. So to do this, you just click here and then you select this shoe, and it will take you to where to edit that. And to change your logo and the footer text, just come up here and click on header, shoe, and header footers, and it will take you to the Elementor page to edit each of them. So to change the blog names here to our website name, and you just go on customize and we change that there.